In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Keep headers with Canva. This process is simple and perfect for adding a personalized touch to your notes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's an online design tool that makes creating beautiful graphics a breeze. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a quick process that just requires some basic information or a Google login. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard filled with various template options. For our purpose, we want to create a specific size for our Google Keep header, so look for the custom size button. Click on it, and when the options appear, change the units to inches to make it easier for accurate input based on our requirements. In the width and height fields, type in your desired dimensions for the header. Google Keep's standard note size works best with a width of about 15 inches and a height of 2 inches, but feel free to adjust these based on your aesthetic preferences. Once you've set your dimensions, click on Create New Design to open up your blank canvas. Now that you have your design space, the fun part starts, decorating and customizing your header. To begin, consider adding a label to your design. This could be a word or a short phrase that captures the essence of what your header will designate, like to-do list or inspiration. After you've inputted your label, you can start editing. Here, Canva offers a variety of tools. You might want to add a color background to make the header vibrant. To do this, simply click on the canvas and select background color from the options on the toolbar. Next, let's add some text to your header. Click on the text button and choose from an array of fonts and styles. You can mix different fonts or stick to one that you love. It's really up to you and your style. Once you're happy with the text, let's add some design elements to spice things up. Go to Elements in the left-hand menu and browse the plentiful graphics, shapes and lines that Canva offers. Add any elements that resonate with your header theme. When your design feels complete, go to the upper right corner, click Share, and then Download. You can download your new header as either a PNG or JPEG file. Both work great in Google Keep. After saving your design, head over to Google Keep and select Take a Note. There you'll find an option to add image. Upload the header you created and voila, you now have a custom note header that reflects your personal style. Finally, once your header is uploaded and fits just right, click on Close. And there you have it, a beautiful custom Google Keep header designed entirely by you using Canva. Enjoy your personalized digital space.